Well, welcome to today's positive news story. This one is on our federal government. The Federal Trade Commission did something that I absolutely applaud, and they've released a new rule that will take effect in October, and that is phony reviews. Not just phony reviews, it includes AI-generated reviews, paying for positive reviews, creating internally positive reviews. It also includes compensating people either through giving them free product or even free advertising or money or whatever in exchange for a positive review. And to me, this is wonderful news. If you're like me and you've been on Amazon buying things and you buy something, it's like, hey, there are 2,000 reviews and they're all 5-star and it's a piece of junk. I don't understand. Well, this new FTC regulation will prevent, even this affects YouTube. All these YouTubers that get on and use their influence to, and I've done this now. What I haven't done is I've not agreed with someone that's given me a product that it's going to be a positive review. I haven't done that, but that does happen, and it can be subtly implied. So this is going to eliminate those arrangements where I'm going to sponsor your channel, or I'm going to, I'm going to creating reviews. Is just going to be a lot harder, and I think this is going to be pretty broad-reaching. Will it consider a YouTube video a review the same way that you do a 5-star review on Amazon? I don't know the answer to that. I hope so. I hope it straightens out both sides of the street here, and when consumers go to buy a product, they can rely on the people reviewing the product as being honest. And I really applaud this move. I hope it works. I hope it sticks. And there was one other part of it that was amazing too. I thought there are definitely going to be civil penalties for violators of this available. And this is a good thing. If it works and reviews are honest, I may backtrack and review a product or two. Who knows? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. They're just, all you got to do is FTC product review rule. You'll get tons of hits, tons of things to look into. Take care.